Experience tranquility at Adonis Sanary Grand Hôtel des Bains. Nestled in the charming coastal town of Sanary-sur-Mer, France, the Adonis Sanary Grand Hôtel des Bains offers a tranquil retreat for those seeking a peaceful getaway. With its last renovation in 2009, this two-star hotel seamlessly combines modern comforts with a touch of old-world charm. Boasting 30 well-appointed rooms, this hotel provides a cozy and intimate atmosphere for its guests. Upon arrival, guests can check in from 3 p.m., allowing ample time to settle in and unwind. The hotel's checkout time is until 12 p.m., ensuring a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this idyllic haven. The convenient location of the hotel, just half a kilometer from the city center, makes it an ideal base for exploring the picturesque streets, delightful shops, and vibrant cafes of Sanary-sur-Mer. Families traveling with children will find that the Adonis Sanary Grand Hôtel des Bains offers a child policy that allows children to stay, although extra charges may apply. This ensures that guests of all ages can enjoy the hotel's serene ambience and comfortable amenities. For those with flights to catch, the hotel is located just 40 minutes away from the nearest airport, ensuring a stress-free journey at the end of your stay. Unwind and indulge in entertainment at Adonis Sanary Grand Hôtel des Bains. At Adonis Sanary Grand Hôtel des Bains, you can expect a plethora of entertainment facilities that will make your stay truly unforgettable. Whether you are in the mood for some retail therapy, a refreshing drink at the bar, pampering at the salon, a relaxing massage, or a rejuvenating spa experience, this hotel has it all. Indulge in a shopping spree at the on-site shops, where you can find a variety of souvenirs, local crafts, and fashion items. After a day of exploring Sanary-sur-Mer, unwind at the hotel's bar, where you can enjoy a wide selection of beverages in a cozy and inviting atmosphere. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the salon offers a range of beauty treatments and hair services to leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Treat yourself to a soothing massage, which will help relieve any tension and stress accumulated during your travels. Complete your wellness journey by visiting the hotel's spa, where you can immerse yourself in a tranquil oasis. Experience a variety of spa treatments, including facials, body wraps, and therapeutic baths, all designed to promote relaxation and well-being.